And the race is on. Fast forward, Tabaco from the outside, rushing up Loretta. Dance with me on the further outside. Carefree Treasure Core Duo. Bilateral Ace entry number 1. This one's Dugu's favorite. My Treasure rushing up. Beautiful Miss Sahara Night. There's Phil. Durango Ayitan Shoko to Cashville. Dance with Me by Alan Canha, followed by Carefree Treasure, Tabaco, running by Darrell's Loretta, Fast Forward, Beautiful Miss, racing in 6th position, My Treasure, racing in 7th by Darrell, Dugu's favorite, Sahara Night, Core Duo is now running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, Dance with Me by about 2 lengths now, Tabaco. Pass forward, My Treasure in between runners as they race the final corner, going to the 3 and 50 to trouble. Dance with Me by a length and a half, followed now by My Treasure down on the inside. Tabaco fast forward, Sahara Night. Dance with Me, My Treasure, running by the Tabaco fast forward. My Treasure, Dance with Me, fast forward on the outside. And finally, a long shot fast forward. My Treasure, Dance with Me, Tabaco, Sahara Nights for your Pentafecta.